Good morning, social media family. Welcome to another episode of the Snack God. Got some exotic today, huh? Cheese steak, Cheetos, and cheeseburger donut flavored Cheetos. Cheeseburger donut flavored Cheetos. These are from Japan. And you get it from this site right here. Exotic Cravings. This is the site you can get it from. Y'all want to try them. Exotic Cravings right here. Cheese steak, Cheetos, and cheeseburger donut Cheetos from Japan, the United States. Y'all can see it in the back. It's Japan writing all that. And y'all can see it in the front. See the little donut cheeseburger up there. See the little steak